If you want to learn how to add a featured channel to your YouTube channel like this in the new YouTube studio, then keep watching because in this video, you're going to learn exactly that. Hey digital learners, welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, I'm Rahul from learndigitalwithrahul.com and I help digital creators like you turn your digital presence into profit using various digital marketing strategies. In today's video, you will learn how to add a YouTube channel in the featured section of your YouTube channel in the new YouTube studio. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important update. Alright, now without any further delay, let's get started. So let's jump off my computer and let me show you how to add a channel to the featured section of your YouTube channel in the new YouTube studio. Alright, so here we are on the home page of my new YouTube channel that I have recently created just to play around with YouTube Shorts. And I want to add my primary YouTube channel in the featured section of this YouTube channel. So I'll simply click here on the Customize Channel button and this will take me to the customization settings. And in the channel customization settings, here you get 3 tabs: layout, branding and basic info. But we have to make changes in the layout. So we will choose layout tab here. But as you can notice that the layout tab is already active. So we will just scroll down and here in the featured section, as you can see, there is the plus icon to add new section. So we will just click on that and then we will choose featured channels in the channels section. So click on that and then you can add a section title here that you want to show as the title for your featured channel. I would keep it check out my primary channel, and then here I can type the name of any channel that I want to show in the featured section of my channel. So I'll simply type my channel name and here is it. I'll check this checkbox and then here you can see the preview of the channels that will be shown in the featured section of your channel. If you want, you can add more channels as well. Let me add one more. Again, I'll check this box and then these 2 channels will be shown in my featured channel section. But before that, I need to click on done to confirm this. And now you can see that these 2 channels will be shown in the featured channel section. So if I simply go to the channel home page again and refresh this page, then you can't see the featured channels here. And the reason behind that is I haven't saved the changes that I have recently made. So in order to save these changes, I simply need to click this publish button in the top right corner. And as you can see the notification here that the changes have been published. And now if I go to the channel homepage again, then you will notice here that the channels tab has been added. And if you scroll down, here you can see both the channels that I had recently added in the featured section. And this will be shown here in channels tab as well. So that is how you can add any YouTube channel in the featured section of your YouTube channel. And by the way, if you want to learn YouTube growth and SEO strategies, then visit youtubeseoacademy.com to download your free copy of YouTube SEO cheat sheet. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning from these videos and feel proud to be a #digital learner.